Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change subtitle in VLC. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the subtitle in VLC. So the first thing you want to do if you want to change your subtitle in VLC, right now I'm playing a movie right now. It's called 22 Jump Streets. So to change it to change the subtitle or to have a subtitle right here, just click right over here to subtitle. After clicking on subtitle, go to subtract. Once you're here at subtract, you may choose which subtitles that are available and which the download movie you have. For example, right now I have Italian and English. So I'm going to choose English. After I choose English, when I play, move it back. There we go. You'll see there's a subtitle right now. There you go. That's how you add subtitle in the VLC when you're watching a movie. So I'll give you another tip for you guys. So if you can't see the subtitle that much, you can also make the subtitle large by clicking on your keyboard the control button. Just hold it. After holding it, use the scroll in the middle of your mouse. Scroll it up to increase the subtitle text. Make it 200. There we go. Let's play it. There we go. As you can see, right now the subtitle increase. And if you want to decrease it, just hold control and then scroll down. There you go. So you see, it's back to its normal size. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.